And we off. The mission at hand is to get into nature. Alrighty then. I think we've made the destination. Some civilization right there. Got some beautiful water over there. The worst distractions I'm coming across is beautiful running females. But I got a mission right now. So yeah, I think this is the destination. How's the spot looking? No, we're gonna keep going. Okay, so I got here and I realized I forgot to bring water for the bong. And then I was like, okay, so I hit a friend up and I was like, yo, cruise and bring some water. But then I realized I forgot the torch. So then I was like, maybe I'm not supposed to do it right now. And I just sat there and I was kind of just vibing and feeling at peace. And I'm gonna respect that. And we'll continue this another day, I guess. Alrighty then. Trial number 2. First one was a failure at the wetlands the other day. We'll see if this one was meant to be. We're right here in Huntington Beach, Central Park. We're actually gonna venture a little bit further this time. This is from the last dude's ayahuasca trip. Yeah, it's hardcore out here. Yo, dude, I freaking forgot. We have to go back to get the deems. No, we're going to extract it from nature all around us. Quick, grab that bullfrog. And we have arrived. Destination DMT Blast-Off Center. Really? Same thing? Yeah. So funny. Dude, this random path will probably lead to somewhere amazing. It was made for a reason. Zoom. I haven't like seen any bees. They're all right here. They're all around us. We are almost at destination. The chair's in there, my friend. You're about to sit right there? I was about to sit right there, dude. Hey, yo, let's relocate, bro. Come on. Gotta show appreciation to Mother Nature, you know what I'm saying? She likes to be touched sometimes. Alrighty then. So, I guess we're going to trip alone. I'm letting him go first. Over there solo by himself. Just so we don't get our energies mixed up a little bit. More personal experience. So I'm just gonna come back in about 5 minutes. Just kind of looking around here. Trying not to step on some more snakes. Not that we actually did step on that other one, but came pretty close. We were about to sit down on it. It's beautiful out here. Alright, so pretty much my mind state, my thoughts right now is that whatever we do, whenever we do, however we do, is how we were meant to do that thing. So we should stop holding back and we should get comfortable with expanding our comfort zone. Never get comfortable without progress, because the universe is based off of expansion, novelty, and growth. So that's how we should be based off of. We should make our mistakes, because even our mistakes are divine. Word. Where the wind is, I'm controlling it. I'm making it windy. Woo. Yo, life is a ride. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Enjoy that ride.
Yeah. Woo! We in some beautiful ass place, dog. And it's like, people are tripping on stuff they don't need to be tripping on, bro. Like, you ain't even getting this beauty right here. Yo, we got this cop over here, and he's literally just tripping on some kids for doing nothing. And he's just like, his whole day is just like spinning around out of control. That's what he is. What he's doing exactly what he's doing. Like, say that again.
What he shouldn't be doing.
He's doing exactly what he shouldn't be doing. Like, yo, the universe is amazing, bro. And it's growing in any direction you choose. Like,
Yeah.
like you're choosing to like circle around these dudes and like focus on the fact that like you don't like what they're doing, but like, do you like what you're doing? Yo, we are live. Look at that, dude. Are you seeing like the beauty in everything right now?